So this is Herb Robert, and I've talked about Herb Robert in my insect repellent and insect bite treatment videos, so do take a look at those if you haven't already seen them. It's actually going over a little bit now, and I'm not sure quite how clear you can see the pinky purple flower on that. And we've got the hairy stems. You've also, yeah, I don't know quite how clear that comes out on the video, but oh yeah, no, yeah, hopefully you can see that they have the hairy stems. Now they do have a bit of a mousy smell, which a lot of people don't particularly like. I'm not really bothered by it, but some people really don't like the smell. Don't worry if you are making remedies with it, the smell doesn't really come through, so don't be put off by that. Now, Herb Robert is very, very plentiful. It will grow everywhere in cracks, and it has these bright red stems. Here we go, here you can see. That's the bright red hairy stems. So you'll see that, and that's the little Ardec, and it's growing everywhere around. So it is prolific. You do not need to worry about it being endangered in any way. Feel free to gather it and make medicines from it. So we've talked about its insect repelling properties and its other properties. It has some amazing properties. It is actually an adaptogen and an adrenal tonic, which actually means it helps the body deal with stress. So common adaptogen that you might know of would be ginseng. That tends to be the one that people have heard of, but this is actually a British version. It does have that effect. So and you would get that either in a tincture or a tea. It doesn't have any interactions with any medications. It's very safe to use, although I wouldn't use it in pregnancy because it is astringent. It's really easy to be able to identify because of the red hairy stems and the little pink purple flower. Really, there's nothing else that looks like it. It is what it is. You can go out there and have a go and make it into whether you want to have a go with its insect repelling properties, or if you want to have a go as a tea, as a nervine and adaptogen. So do let me know if you've tried it. Pop a comment in the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And that's it with Herb Robert today.